Now time to answer some common health questions. Joining me is News Channel 5's medical expert, Dr. David Soria. He is the Chief of Emergency Medicine at Wellington Regional Medical Center. Always nice to see you. We've been hearing a lot about the enterovirus. Really, who's the most likely to get it, and also how can you prevent it?
Yeah. Well, this is taking our country by storm. We didn't expect it to be this bad. We're actually hearing about over 1,000 cases reported in almost 21 states. Seeing it in probably 10 to 12 as far as admissions to the hospital. Starts off like the cold, the cough, sneezing, the runny nose, but the difference is rather than resolving, what we're seeing is a rapid progression to something a lot more severe. Shortness of breath, wheezing, and what we're seeing is that their oxygen levels are dropping to where they need oxygen, and in worst case scenarios, even intubated where they need to be on a breathing machine. Wow. Can be pretty serious. Spread the same way that the common cold is, with secretions from your sneezing and your coughing. So who's at risk? Kids definitely less than 5, but even up to the teen years if you haven't been exposed and developed an immunity to it. And if you have asthma, you're also more at risk than the general population. So again, keep in mind, the key is prevention. There's no vaccine, so wash your hands, cover your mouth when you cough, wash your hands or use a sanitizer when you touch public surfaces. That'll help prevent it from one person to the next.
All right, good advice there. This next question, completely off topic. Tell us, how much water should someone be drinking every day?
We talk about it a lot, but it's something I guess that's hard to remember. And the reality is that it is a simple question, but it doesn't have a simple answer because it depends on your size, it depends on your health, how active you are, and even where you live. But as a general rule, and actually the science behind it has really only been done by the Institute of Medicine. And what they said was, in general, if you live in a temperate climate and you're the average healthy man or woman, as a man, you need 13 cups or about 3 liters per day. And as a woman, you need 9 cups or about 2.2 liters per day. Now, many of us do remember the 8x8 rule, which is the 8 cups 8 times a day, which is great because if that helps you remember, it's only 1.9 liters, but it's close enough.
It's close enough.
If you remember, and just know this, folks, that's bare minimum because here we are. We're a pretty hot climate.
Yeah. So you're not going to ding us if we do 1.9.
No. Get yourself a couple of liters, you'll be okay.
All right, thanks, Doc. If you have a question for Dr. Soria, you can send it in by going to our website, WPTV.com. Click on the health link, scroll down. On the right-hand side, you'll see a form to write your question. We look forward to seeing those questions. Thanks so much for coming in.
You bet.